Okay, so add and this. Ah, oh, click enter. Sorry about that.
All good, all good. I hope that it's recording your screen right now and just not my video. We will check that later.
Why is it entering? Okay, I don't know why it is. It clicks on entering.
Yeah. Yeah, my process is about twice as long.
Yeah, but I don't know why it keeps selecting the.
But it's also too because I wanted a hard copy of the video. Yeah.
Yeah, so this one is how to ask for and give the time.
All right.
Insert.
There. Okay. Beautiful. All right. And then student UX going to be click on the link and then they'll be able to
ask for something. So it's basically the same thing, and then post it somewhere. Yeah.
Yep, let's do it. Let's do it. Can ask for, let's make a proper title. Can, how to ask for, or can ask for and give the time, right? Can ask for and give the time. Then let's do caps on all the correct words as a title.
Oh, this one you want this?
Oh yeah. I just wanted to do caps where it's like capital C and then lowercase a and n. There you go.
Like this?
Yes, sir. Yes, like a book title. Give the time of the day, yes. Or the time, yes. Okay. And then let's change it to IB Scholars.
No, wait, I haven't joined that one yet.
I haven't added you as okay, let me add you as a teacher for that real fast.
I don't think I've joined it.
Okay, so you have to join it first. Okay. All right. What's the fastest way to join it? I think you have to go to your email address maybe, or, oh, okay. Aha! Okay, sweet, faster way. Awesome. Okay, excellent. And then should be able to go back and refresh.
If I refresh.
How about this? How about you assign it real fast? Go ahead and assign it to our IELTS people.
No, it's still just a draft.
Okay.
That's a good thing about this one. Is
yeah.
Save it. So
yeah, that would be annoying if we had to do those again. Okay.
Yeah.
And excellent. Okay, boom, scholars, and then unclicking IELTS.
Looks like
we can remove it. That's okay. All right, instructions. I'll copy and paste what I just wrote. Okay, and I'll send it to you.
You're gonna send it in line?
To you by Zoom chat.
Oh, okay.
All right, there you go. Or if you want it somewhere else. Okay. And then you can put XX for line number. Or I'll get you the line number right now. What is the scale again? The scale is time. Okay, time. Which one is the one for time? Which one is the one for time? I can tell the time of day. No. Can tell the time of day. No.
It's in the first part. It's in the first section.
It's in, pre-A1, right?
Okay.
I can't find it. Okay, hold on. Time, can tell the time and day and full hours. No. I think you guys changed it a little bit. Okay.
Yes. I think
all right. We're going to say that's correlated. Okay, all right. So
let's leave it at this for now.
Okay.
Yeah, and then assign.
Yeah, let's say 18, line 18 for now. All right.
Yeah.
You can change that later. Yep. We're done.
You want me to change to 18?
Okay, yeah, let's do that for now. That way we know which one to change later. Okay, boom. All right, we got an assignment. All right, there we go. Then we need to get all of the scholarship kids in there. I got their email address already, and then we'll slowly start implementing it. Yeah, okay, all right, stopping recording now.